Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you can use ChatGPT to help write your resume, update your resume as a Salesforce admin. And it doesn't just have to be Salesforce admin, it could be for any job, but we're going to be specifically looking at the Salesforce admin. But if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I put out new Salesforce content each week. And if you like this video, make sure you like it so I know to make more videos like this in the future. And we're just going to go ahead and jump into this. Disclaimer, I'm not an expert. I'm still learning. So there may be a better way to do this, but this is just what I did. And I'm sharing my experience. So what I want to do first is I'm going to search here. What are the top skills a Salesforce admin needs? All right, we just put that search in. So now it's generating its response. So what I'm doing is these are some of the top skills that an admin needs. These are things that you may want to address in your resume, even if you are an admin. These are just the top skills that job postings are most likely going to look for. And these are great. So you have Salesforce expertise, must be well-versed in the Salesforce platform, business acumen. So maybe you want to address, give an example on your resume of how you use problem solving or data management. Or maybe there's on point number 6 there was a project you were on that really increased user acceptance of the application or a new process you introduced. Great way to get some little bullet points there. I'm actually going to ask it to create resume bullet points for a entry-level Salesforce admin. All right, let's see what it generates for us. So it says, sure, here are some example bullet points for an entry-level Salesforce admin. Now it's just generating some stuff out here. So provided end user support and training to ensure high levels of user adoption and system effectiveness, including conducting onboarding sessions and creating training materials. That is a perfect little resume bullet point. You can put this on your LinkedIn. Now it's writing these out here. Now keep in mind, you can copy and paste some of these. Some of the times the sentence structure is a little weird, but this is a great place to start. Now, one of the more beneficial things that I have found with using ChatGPT for the resume creation and updates is this. Let's just say you have a sentence like, I'm going to make something up here and I want to type it in and I'm going to ask it to make it sound more professional. All right, so what I have here, I said, make this sentence sound more professional. Created a flow that automated the creation of multiple accounts for business end users. This increased productivity and improved data integrity. It's an okay sounding sentence, right? But now I'm going to ask it to make it sound more professional. So here we go. Let's see what it says. All right, here's a more professional version. Designed and implemented a flow that automated the creation of multiple accounts for business end users, resulting in a notable increase in productivity and enhancement of data integrity. That sounds great. Very simple to throw in a simple sentence and let it provide a more professional version for you, saving you a lot of time from having to think about this. And then you could take this sentence and updated it. And maybe you don't like that sentence and just type in try again, and it's going to give another version of this. So certainly here's another way to phrase the sentence. Developed and executed a customized flow solution that automated the creation of multiple business end user accounts, resulting in a significant boost to productivity and the improvement of overall data accuracy and consistency. So look at that. We gave a very simple sentence and we asked it to make it more professional. It gave us version 1 and I said, hey, try again. Just keep, try again. And it gave me, I think, a great sentence here. Now I want to try something else. I'm going to go out and find a job posting for a Salesforce admin. I want to copy it and I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to create resume bullet points based on this job posting. All right, so I found a job posting here on Indeed for a Salesforce admin. It's full-time remote, 40 hours a week. I am going to grab all this. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT and I'm going to put quotes around it. So now I said, create me 10 resume bullet points based on this information. And I put it in quotes and let's just hit enter and we'll see what it does. All right, so now it's generating some responses. It's doing the 10 that I asked for, right? So here are 10 potential bullet points for your Salesforce admin resume based on the information you provided. I'm only going to read 2 of them here. Configured and manage Salesforce and related applications, including handling integrations, report, dashboards, workflows, and user access permissions. We'll come on down here. Let's see, documented the system configuration and tasks to ensure long-term sustainable administration of the system. This is pretty cool. So it ciphered through the data that I provided it and created 10 resume bullet points that stood out to it. Now, what's cool is I can say, give me 2 more, and let's see if it gives me 2 more bullet points. Yeah, so certainly, here's 2 more. Yeah, so number 11 here, ensured effective information management practices through hands-on work with data audits and data entry by fellow staff, regular communication to users, and proactive recommendations. And then maybe you like, let's just say you like bullet point 12 here. So I'm asking it, can you make bullet point 12 more concise? Let's see if it can do it. So the original was manage both basic administrator functions and complex data management operations, including preparing annual engagement reports for members to support the org's rapidly growing membership and program operations. And it said prepared annual engagement reports for members and manage both basic and complex data management operations to support the organization's growing membership and program operations. It's a little bit more concise. As you can see, the sentence is just a little bit shorter. So it was able to at least grab the correct bullet point and do that. Now, I'm going to ask it a few more questions here. I'm going to ask it to write me a resume for a Salesforce admin with 2 years of experience. All right, here we'll see what it says. Well, would you look at that? I mean, it's pretty amazing, actually. I mean, you got your name, address, phone number, email. You got a summary section here, and then now it's populating in where your work experience would go. In my opinion, what it's kind of doing is those bullet points that we kind of already asked for. It's kind of generating them again in a different way, most likely. But while that's working on it, I want to read the summary here. Experienced Salesforce administrator with a proven track record of success in configuring, administering, and supporting the Salesforce system. Possesses strong analytical and technical skills and ability to communicate effectively with users and stakeholders. Eager to leverage my expertise and continue contributing to the dynamic and growing organization. Hey, great open summary. You can make adjustments to that. I mean, my recommendation and what I would do is you can take that as your kind of your starting point and maybe customize it. Maybe, go from there. And then you can take the bullet points it's given us. I mean, look at this. Work experience, Salesforce admin. It even threw a Salesforce and consultant in, education if you want to plug it in. But I like this. Look at this. It gives you skills. Pretty cool. User training, program management, communication. If you remember from earlier in the video, these are kind of some of the skills it was hinting at. And it even has a certification option. It assumed we had that. Now, I know a lot of people have been talking about ChatGPT. The thing is that it's a tool like anything else. It can be used to help improve our lives. But what I would say is it's great to learn these tools to help save you time. I'm not saying copy and paste these straight on your resume without reading them. I know people are going to do that because that's what people do. But what I will say is use the tools to your advantage. Get it to write your sentences in a more professional way. Ask for synonyms. You can. There's so much power in the AI that we can use now to help build your resume up or build your LinkedIn profile up. But what I want to say is if you found this informative, please give me a like. I really appreciate you watching my videos, and I will see you in the next one.